inspect objects. So this is our little black box tool if we want to dive down into what exists inside of the data, inside of our basically visual database that Revit is. So I choose inspect. It takes a little while to go through and sort all the stuff that's available. You can resize these. So if you need a little more room, you can make it bigger so you have access to all the stuff that's available. What do I want to look at? Selected, entire project, active view. Entire project is going to take a long time to generate that tree, so I'm not going to do that here. But let's just select a few doors and say current selection. And as luck would have it, or maybe not, they happen to all be the same type of door. So we can scroll down and find all the information. You can see that it's the same door. We've got a bunch of instances to it. So pretty exciting stuff. Well, not really, because I selected all the same stuff. You know, we can choose by level, work set, zone, space, room, all that stuff as well. I'll go back to the active view so that we see a little more things. Now you see all the things that we can sort of start exploring or navigating inside of. So maybe we go to our walls. There we go. And then it brings up our walls. So now we see we've got, you know, a whole bunch of walls that are available. And they're all selected. So we've got basic walls, different types, different versions. Got them all selected, and you'll see it was selecting and deselecting. We can then open our query form, and this now allows us to see the information about those specific walls. So I can select the wall. I go into the type. You know, I can find things about the type that we want about it. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see. I can go into the instance. You know, what's the area? And then it gives me a list of those 60 different walls and all the different areas of all those different particular walls. I also want to see any base offset, any base constraint. And so now we have access to all of that information. And while it's really cool that we can see that and sort of delve through this, once we have everything in place, we can also just very quickly export all of that information out to an Excel file. Boom. So now all that information that we wanted to pull out, we were able to dive into the little black box, find the information that we want, and then kick it out to an Excel file to do with as we need. So again, super cool little tool that allows you to look behind the curtain of some of the data that's inside of Revit. It's not always the easiest to get access to, and maybe not as easy as to get access to all of it in one place at one time.